Hey, what's up, Polygon holder? So it's a really shock news for all Polygon holder because my brother, in this video I will tell you, my friend, the latest update of Polygon. I do a prediction and absolutely I do technical analysis and I share my opinion, my friend, in this video. So my friend, you know the Polygon is from last 7 days is going to be very good now. 9.54% the price is increased now, if you can see, my friend, this time. But max supply, if you can see, last 24 hours, so minus 1.47%. In last 24 hours this coin is very badly fares down. But my friend, you know, in last 24 hours all crypto market is wake up and go in the moon now. So therefore this is the shock news for all of you to why this coin is fails down, and there is a chance to they will wake up and they will move off in the my friend, in the moon now. So let's see, I will tell you in this video. The last 1 hour, remember my friends, the 0.25% the price is increased now. It's going to be positive now. So congratulations for all of you to this change occur will be positive now, my brother. If you can see this time the chart results, so this chart is completely showing, my brothers, to after a fail this coin take a jump now. You can see after this jump they fails down, and after a fails you can see they again jump. So it's been, my brothers, to every graph you can see will moving at this style. After a jump they fails down, and after a fails they take a jump. So congratulations all of you to Polygon is one of the trending coin this time in the crypto market. In absolutely, my friend, the change occur will be positive now. So this time, my brother, you know Polygon one of the fastest coin, and if you want to invest this time in Polygon, so exactly you are doing very good now. And I hope, my friend, in upcoming time Polygon will give you $2 just only at the end of month. So if they will give you $2, so it's means to upcoming time they will make you millionaire now. So let's see to what they do. But kindly holders, you need to follow and like this video. Please subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz. See you next time.